So that's the view of the foundation as it is, and you can see where my finger is, that's the tambour, or no, I'm lying, that's the terrace, the little one, and then the tambour, which is the entranceway, which is right there. Then the first bedroom will go in there, the toilet goes between there, the bathroom next to it. The main bedroom is going to be, oh sorry, no, there is a garderobe, which is a walk-in closet, which will be, or walk-in wardrobe, which will be right there. Then we've got a main bedroom here, between up there, and then here goes the living room, or the main family room, sitting room, whatever you want to call it. When I was a kid we used to call it front room. And then here we've got the boiler room there, Katolny, which is going to go in the back there, and then the kitchen will go from there around here to here, and here is where the terrace is going to be, and the front wall will be there, if you like. So it goes up there, along there, then the windows there. What else have I done while I've been here? I have put in the screws in there that I missed the last time because I ran out of zinc screws. There's a little video I'm going to insert now. If you remember from the last video, I'd run out of screws for the joist hangers down there. You can see them just the edge of the video there up. And the reason I didn't buy ordinary screws in the shop was because I wanted zinc plated ones. This is an example of an ordinary self tapper in English, I suppose. In Russian these are samorays. As you can see, this one is a black one, and it's got rust on it already. That's what will happen in your wood, it goes rusty, and then chances are the end will snap off eventually. What you should be using on outside work is these type. This is the same screw basically the same thing, except that this one is zinc plated. I'll show you this a bit closer. They are a lot more expensive, but they won't break the bank. It's worth the investment of putting those in. If you see a company coming in and they're doing work for you and they're putting these on the outside walls, you should be questioning why they're putting those on there. Shouldn't be doing it. Should be using zinc plated, stops rust. And also, if you're putting siding on anywhere and you're using zinc plated ones, they won't rust and ruin your nice siding. Nails, same thing, zinc plated rather than ordinary black self tappers. As you can see, it's very secure.